Welcome to this video on the AXtend Analyzer. Our agenda is to explore the sales detail report and to show how to create a new layout using the AXtend Analyzer. So we'll aggregate by item name and then by item name and invoice year to create a new layout. And then we'll take a look at the layout overview and talk about how the layouts enable users to create their own perspective of the data and save them for later usage. So let's get started. Here we have the sales detail report, which is one of the reports that comes with the standard AXtend Analyzer for AX 2012. And as you can see, it is now aggregated by customer name, but we want to aggregate by item name. So I simply drag item name over here. I right click to collapse, and here we have aggregation by item name. I can go ahead and save that as a new layout. I make it public, and I do want to show it in my favorites. And that becomes a new layout under item name. And if I click favorites, it's under my favorites. Going back to database views, let's say that we want to add invoice year to this report and this layout. So I click show field list over here, and I want to bring in invoice date over here, and I want to see that as a column. So I want to split the data up by invoice year. I drop that over here, hide the field list, and it is showing the day right now, and I want to group by year like this. So here we have a year. Let's expand the period filter to 2010 to see how this will look like. So now you can see how it aggregates the data and splits it by year. And we can save that as a new layout. Item name, invoice year. Let's show that in favorites, and that becomes a new layout. On top of that, you can add some filtering. For example, if we only want to see this for the company COM, we can do that. Again, we can save a layout, COM, and if I close it and open this again, you can see that it will again maintain our layout settings, the fields as we've lined them up, and the filter. So we can quickly go back to the way that we want to see the data. Finally, the layout overview is here under the main managed layouts, and here we can control which ones are shown in favorites, which ones are private or public, etc. We can change that at will. For example, if we want to remove all from favorites, save and close, the favorite link disappears.